Unleash your inner storyteller with just your phone and Capcut as we dive into making your first engaging video edit. Open up Capcut and tap the plus icon to start a new project. You'll then be prompted to select your video clips from your phone's library. Once your clips are imported, they'll appear in the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is your canvas. Each clip is a segment you can manipulate. To trim a clip, simply tap on it, and you'll see white handles appear at both ends. Drag these handles inwards to shorten the clip to exactly the length you want. To split a clip, drag the playhead, that's the white vertical line, to where you want to make a cut. Then tap on the clip and select the split option from the menu that appears. This is perfect for removing unwanted sections or creating jump cuts. Now let's add some movement. Tap on a clip and look for the animation option here. You can choose from a variety of effects to make your clips enter, exit, or loop in interesting ways. Experiment with combo for more complex, layered animations. To make your video pop, tap the text icon. You can add simple text, stickers, or even draw directly onto your video for dynamic text. Explore the text template options for predestined animated text styles. Transitions are the magic that connects your clips. Smoothly tap the white icon that appears between two clips on the timeline. This opens up a library of transitions. Swipe through and pick one that complements your video's mood. There are basic fades, wipes, and more energetic options. Don't forget sound. Tap audio and then sounds to access Capcut's library of royalty-free music and sound effects. You can also tap extract to pull audio from another video, or voiceover to record your own narration. Finally, to export your masterpiece, tap the export icon, usually found at the top right of the screen. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and Capcut will render your video ready to share.